Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is a little bit of vodka, a lot of cranberry juice. Okay, I've been drinking this whole weekend. I need to like slow it down. All right, so pause this video if you need to. Go ahead, grab yourself a drink, come back and let's talk. So for this video, we're going to be talking about how to properly use whipped cream during oral sex. Okay, now this video comes about because, as I've mentioned before, Dear Dream is one of my favorite pages on Instagram, and they shared a post where someone was saying not to use whipped cream on your vagina, and a commenter was like, but that's taking away the fun, what do we do? So I'm like, you put it around it, right, on like the labia, but not in it, because that's going to throw off your pH. And she was so happy, and I'm like, you know, I got you, girl. So I was like, let me do a video on this, how to properly use whipped cream during oral sex. Now, as I mentioned just now, the vagina, the least of the thing you put in it, around it, on it, can throw off your pH. And when I say vagina, I'm talking about the vaginal opening in between the lips, like right in it. Right? I know it's very tempting to spray the whipped cream all in it and lick it out and eat it out, and I'm pretty sure it feels good for the person receiving it as well as the person giving it, because to be honest, if you enjoy giving oral sex, you're going to enjoy giving it with whipped cream, right? Right. So for giving cunnilingus, what I'll say is you put it on areas that are somewhat away from the vaginal opening, right? So on the labia majora, I really hope I'm saying that word right, okay? On the outer lips, on the fluff of the pum pum, yes, that's perfectly fine. Lick it all up, lick it clean, right? If some happens to seep down, lick it up really, really fast so it does not throw off her pH. If you have a warm rag next to you, take that and wipe her down when you're done with the whipped cream. When it comes to fellatio, did I say cunnilingus just now for vaginal head? Okay, I hope I said cunnilingus. For fellatio, feel free to put the whipped cream all up and down his member. Try not to get it in the slit of his penis head. That may or may not burn. I don't have a penis, so I don't know, but try to avoid that area. Even though it's like, it's the head of the penis, like the clitoris of the vagina, it's super sensitive, so you want to be as careful as possible, but feel free to put it all along the shaft of the penis, lick it up, suck it down, all that good stuff. Put it, you know, on his balls. If you guys are into anal play, feel free to put the whipped cream down there and lick it up and suck it up and all that good stuff. Whipped cream can be applied to the breast and literally anywhere else on the body, but right now we're talking about while giving head. After you've done performing fellatio with the whipped cream, again with the warm rag or towel, before you begin penetrating, before you begin vaginal intercourse, wipe his penis clean off any whipped cream residues, just to avoid any irritation that may happen during intercourse. All right, I'm pretty sure you did an amazing job with your mouth and you got him all nice and clean, especially if you watched any of my videos on fellatio. Pretty sure you did an amazing job. Good for you, sis or bro. But just to be extra careful, with the same warm rag, make it nice and sensual. Wipe him down and then continue on with your festivities. And that's the proper way to use whipped cream during oral sex. If this helped you in any way, let me know in the comment section below if you agree, if you disagree, if you have anything else to add. Leave it all in the comment section below. I feel my hair messing up. All right, yeah, so until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.